I am back with the third part, people. Okay, so right now we're on our way back to the boat. And yeah, so enjoy the show.
All right, everybody got a gas can? I do not want to make this trip twice.
I got one.
Oh, close it. Oh, don't come in until we fix it. Come on. There you go.
Watch out!
Oh, going back side. I'm going down. Yeah, just run. Okay. Woo.
Charger! I'm reloading.
Reloading.
Hey, we can take this elevator back up.
Reloading!
Hey, fire witch. Y'all better chill and lights.
She's probably up there too. She's up there. Go so fast. Is she right there? She's right.
Throw a Molotov.
Shoot her!
Oh. Yeah, baby. Dodged her.
Down the stairs.
Tego minutes.
Reloading.
We can cross on that tank.
I'm pretty sure it's terrifying every which way. No. Help me, guys. Get off of me.
We got time for this. Get up.
I'm hating this. Someone heal me.
Next off. Oh. Crowbar right here. Hey, we might need it for a bit. Adrenaline, that'll hold it. Grabbing pills. I got this for you, man.
Oh, go back.
Journalist out here.
I'm pretty sure he would not dare pounce me. I know. Rochelle, stop stealing my freaking kills. I'm sick of you. Oh my god. Oh, hell. Oh, go. No, no, no. Oh, freaking Hunter over there, too. Okay. Okay, go. Just run. Just run. Oh, good. Yay. It's a normal tank. Calm down. It's a normal tank. It's a normal tank. Oh, it's chasing him. Ah. Okay, go. This is funny. Go. Okay, we're good. Thanks, Rochelle. What did you get? I'm getting stalked by a tank. Oh, they took my stuff. Oh well, you know. Is he chasing me?
Reloading. Cross here.
What the hell was that? Coach. Oh, I think this guy's chasing me. Oh, he's over there. Come on, let's go.
Reloading. There's the entrance. We're almost out of here. Reloading.
I'm trusting Nick here. No, don't come here.
Reload.
How's that boomer? Yeah, see, this is what happens. Fucking boomer. Where am I? Hey, clear. Charger! Oh my god! Freaking no! Move! No! Get out of my face! No! And going backwards. I don't see anything.
Reloading.
Give me.
Hey, wait a second. I gotta heal. Reloading. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay. But just for the heck of it, I'm going to kill some zombies by doing this.
Chase this.
I will probably need this.
Grabbing a pipe bomb.
I probably killed nothing. And
We
that
are
is
the
the last
kings
part.
of the world.
As you see, I sucked at killing zombies. And tank. I was too busy running. He was looking at me. I don't know about Rochelle. I was too busy running. Pretty sure I hit it once. I don't see how I did that bad to the witch because I set her on fire and ran, and then she freaking cut me off. So yeah, but this is next part is probably the last part. So I guess I'll see y'all later. In the next part. Bye. It. Ugh. Just so you know, it's hard staying in this hoodie all day. Who's hot in here?